Alright, so you always got to have your before and after video. It's time to go fire up the Kuga. This is a before. This is what it sounds like. Alright guys, here's video 2. This is just with the K&N filter installed. Let me do my diligence, get the flashlight and everything out of the motor. Sure, that would have been awesome. Alright guys, so that right there is the stock diaphragm and blow off return that I'm getting ready to swap out. It's kind of deep down in there, so wish me luck. Alright, so quick video. Got the old diaphragm out. As you can tell, there's a completely different quality in parts that's getting ready to be installed as opposed to what's on there. The compact blow-off valve from Turbosmart, it sets the bar. Thanks Ford for whatever that was. By the way, whenever you guys are taking it out, watch this little guy. This little guy went flying. If I didn't have this flashlight that my father and mother-in-law got me, I would have really been up the creek because it went pretty far back in there whenever it popped out. Alright, more to come.